Hello friends, welcome to Office Platforms. Santosh this side. In this video, we will see how we can import and consolidate only the required columns from multiple files using PowerPoint. So, suppose I have these three files with multiple columns. So let us say quarter one. Quarter one has got three months, Jan, Feb, and March, and the scores for 7 subjects. Similarly, for quarter 2 also, we have the same subjects but for different months. See, same subjects. And similarly for quarter 3. Same. July, August, September, and subject 1 to subject 7, and all the scores for all the subjects. So, my requirement over here is that I want to consolidate all these 3 quarters files into a single Excel file. But the requirement is that I want to import only particular subject scope. So, when I say that, I want to import the name, the subject 1, subject 3, and subject 5 scores, and not all the columns. How can I do that? For this, we will use Power Query, and before that, we need to create or do some manual changes only once. First, we need to convert this data into a table and give it a name. Over here for quarter 1, I have created the table and the table name is data. Similarly, I have created the tables for different quarters. For quarter 2, the table name is data. For quarter 3, also the table name is data. Now, I will create one more Excel file with a dummy columns. So let us create a dummy file. Okay, let us copy the headers. Paste it. And since I need subject 1, subject 3, and subject 5, I will remove other columns. And convert this into a table. I will use the shortcut key Ctrl+T. I will select. Yes, the table has headers. Click OK. Let us update the name of the file or the table as data. Save it. Now I will save this file on the same place where all the files are there. So I will save it over here. I saved the file with the name as template. So this file is going to work as a basic template which will have the names of the columns that I want to import. So if I want to import the column name, subject 1, subject 3, and subject 5, I will update this file, the template file, with the same columns. Now I will close all these files. Now let us come back to the file into which I want to import these columns. I will go to data. I will go get data from folder. I will select the folder from where the file is to be imported. See, I can see all the files that are saved available to be imported in the folder path. Now I will click transform data. So friends, all the files have been imported into the Power Query. Now we just need to consolidate all these files. Over here we have the double bottom arrows that it's highlighted as combined files. Let's click on that. See, over here when we clicked on the combined files, it is asking us to select the sample file. This is something which is very important. Ideally, the first file becomes the sample file, but in this case, since we want only the columns that are specified in the template file that needs to be imported, we should select the template file. Now, select data, the table, click on OK. Now, all the files have been consolidated. We can see name, subject 1, subject 3 and subject 5. So if we look into the advanced editor and see if there are any line that where there has been any hard coding has been done. So if we see over here, the change type has hard coded the subject 1, subject 3 and subject 5. And if we just remove the change type and again look back, there is no hard coding of any column. Now let us close this, close and load to table, click on table, existing worksheet, click this, click OK. Now the data has been imported. Over here we can see this column, the source column and the blank row from the template file has been imported. Let us remove these two. Let's go back to Power Query editor. Now let us remove this unwanted column. Remove and filter the data without map. Click OK. Now let us load this data. See, the data has been imported. I have copied all the information from all the 3 files and pasted one below the other in this file. Now what we'll do, let us go back and open the template file and update the column numbers as 6, say 2 and 4. Save and close. Now let us try refreshing the data, refresh, refresh. So the data is refreshed. Let us validate the information. Column 6, subject 6, where subject 6, 86, 42, 84, 70, 99, 3, 42, 24 and 91. Subject 2, 70, 82, 69, 16, 28, 46, 21, 59 and 65. And similarly for subject 4. So friends, this is how we can import only the required columns from multiple files using Power Query. Thank you.